In this video, I'll show you how to make money using Replit in 2026. There are three main ways to earn money on Replit, so let me walk you through all of them. The first way is to build and monetize your own apps. Using Replit Agent, you can build entire applications without needing to write all the code yourself. Just describe what you want to build in plain language, and the AI will handle the structure and setup for you. You can create niche tools like budget planners, stock analysis platforms, or language learning apps, and charge users to access them. Setting up payments is easy too. Just ask the Replit agent to integrate Stripe, and it will set up a payment system for you. If you prefer to keep your app free for users, you can monetize through ads by integrating platforms like chat ads directly into your app. The second way is to complete Replit bounties. Replit has a marketplace where people post coding tasks and pay you to complete them. Tasks range from simple bug fixes and API integrations to building full Discord bots and web applications. You get paid in Replit cycles, which can be exchanged for real money once you meet the eligibility requirements. Completing bounties also helps you build a strong portfolio, which can lead to higher-paying freelance work outside of Replit. The third way is freelancing and offering AI automation services. Use Replit to build functional prototypes for clients in just a few days. You can also help businesses automate their workflows by building custom dashboards and AI-powered tools. Another option is to create high-quality, reusable app templates and sell them to other developers and entrepreneurs. That is how you do it.